GitHub Copilot is paid. What if I tell you that you can use it for free, completely legal way? In this video, I'll show you all the real way you can use GitHub Copilot without paying anything. First, let's quickly understand what is GitHub Copilot actually is. GitHub Copilot is a AI coding assistant that helps you write code faster by sizing lines, function, and even entire components directly inside the data. Now let's get straight to the free ways. Free way number 1, GitHub Copilot free plan. You heard me right. GitHub now offers free plan for Copilot for everyone. With free plan, you get a limited number of code compliments and chat messages every month. And this is perfect if you want to test a Copilot or use it occasionally without paying. To enable it, just go to the GitHub and open GitHub Copilot plan and choose the free option. Freeway number 2, this is the best one, students and teacher access. If you are a student or a teacher, you can get GitHub Copilot for free. I mean pro version, and this comes through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Once you verify your student or teacher access, Copilot Pro unlock automatically. This means higher limits and full feature without paying a penny. Freeway number 3, open source maintainer. If you are a maintainer or contribute popular open source projects, GitHub may give you Copilot for free. GitHub rewards active open source contributors with free Copilot plan. You don't need to apply manually. GitHub detects eligibility and enables it for you. Now this is the awesome part. Also, I want to add this that GitHub Copilot is free inside the editors like VS Code and Visual Studio. Once you sign in with your GitHub account, Copilot works automatically if your free plan is activated. To summarize, everyone can use GitHub Copilot with free tier, with limits. Second, students and teachers get Copilot Pro for free. Third, open source maintainers may qualify automatically. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.